we'll do binary multiplication. In binary multiplication, you have to follow some rules. Suppose A is the first digit, B is the second digit, and the result of the multiplication of these two digits is C. That can be represented as A into B. In computer we write asterisk for multiplication. So this as A asterisk B equal to C, representing the multiplication of the two digits. So first combination is both digits are 0. Then 0 into 0 is equal to 0, just like decimal. Then second combination is 0 and 1. First number 0, first digit 0, second digit also, second digit 1. So 0 into 1 is 0. Third combination, first digit 1, second digit 0. 1 into 0 equal to 0. Fourth combination, both the digits are 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. It is very simple. So we will multiply two simple binary numbers. First number is 101, second number is 11. We'll put the multiplication sign here, and just like decimal we'll multiply. There is no extra rule for multiplication, very easy it is. How we do in decimal, like that we'll do. The rightmost digit of the second number will multiply 3 times with the 3 digits of the first number. That means with each digit of the first number we have to multiply this right digit of second number. 1 into 1, from here we can get 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 again 1. That means first 1 is multiplied with this, then this, then this, and put the result like this. Then the next left digit, the next digit is 1 now. This digit will also be multiplied with each digit of the first number, just like decimal. But before that, in the second step, one cross is given here like this, and after that we start the multiplication of the second digit. So 1 into 1 again 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So two digits were there, multiplication is completed. We'll put a dash sign here, and now we'll perform the addition between these two horizontal columns. Here cross means nothing is there, we can represent it as 0, consider it as 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and here nothing is there means 0, plus 1, 1. So the result is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now another example, we'll multiply a 4-digit number 1111 with a 3-digit number 101. We'll place it like this, just like decimal we do. This one will be multiplied with each digit of the first number. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Then we'll put a cross sign here for the second step. In the second step we multiply the second left number of the second digit with all the digits of the first number. So the just next digit of the second number is 0. We'll multiply with all the digits of first number. 0 into 1, 1. So whatever multiplied with 0 is 1. All the places it will be 1. Sorry, 0. Multiplied with 0 is 0. So 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. All the places will give 0. Now the third step will come, because a third digit is also there for the second number. For that reason Here now in the third step we'll put two crosses, one cross here and another cross beside it, just like decimal multiplication. So this one now will be multiplied with all the digits of first number. 1 into 1 means 1. We'll start from here. Rest of the three also same result, 1 will be there. We'll put it like this because 1 into 1 is 1. Now we'll put a big dash sign and we'll perform addition of these three vertical, three horizontal columns. Will do addition digit wise. We'll start from the right side when we'll move to the left side. Now we'll do binary addition of these three digits. This cross means nothing, 0, so 1 will sit here. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Here there are two ones, 1 plus 0 plus 1. That means we have to add two ones. 1 plus 1. We will write 0 and a carry will be taken to their top here. One carry will be there, 1. So here also first we'll do 1 plus 1, that is 1 0 will come. We'll write this 0 here and the 1 will be carried to the top of the next column here. But already one carry is there here in the top, so we cannot write here 0. This 1 will be added to this 0 and it will become 1. Here also one carry is there. Actually this 0 plus 1 is 1. Now this 1 will be added to this carry. 1 plus 1 now will become 0 and a 1 will be carried to the next column. In this last column only 1 was there, but a carry has also come here. So 1 plus 1 again we'll write here 0 and a carry 1 will be taken to the next column. Nothing is there in the left, so 1 will sit there like this because the carry was there. So after that you can remove all the carries. No need to write the carries. When you know how to do, then you may not write the carries also, but for understanding I have shown the carries. So now the result is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1.